Hello and welcome to my 5-minute Android tutorial series where I quickly teach you new techniques so that you can get back to what matters most in your project. My name is Jonathan Ingram and today we are going to learn how to create rounded buttons in Android Studio. You will be amazed at how easy this is, so let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, I have an average login activity and we're going to create a rounded button under this one right here. So the first thing you have to do is create a shape, and we do that in the drawable folder. So we'll right click on the drawable folder, go to New, Drawable Resource File, and we'll give it the name Rounded Button, and the root element is going to be a shape. Okay, we'll click OK. Alright, there's one extra little property we have to add here, so we'll say Android shape rectangle. So now we need to define some properties of this shape, and the first one is the corners to get the rounded effect. So let's type in corners. To get the rounded edge, you apply a radius, so Android radius, and we're going to go with 45 dp to make it a completely rounded corner. Okay, and then the next is the size of the shape, and this can be changed later. I'm going to go ahead and give it a height of 50 dp and a width of 100 dp. Go ahead and close that. And the next we need to give this button a color, and this involves the background color of the button. So we'll create a solid and we'll give it a color of a darkish gray. I'm going to hard code this, but you can always use something from your resources file. Okay, close that out. And now there's an extra property called the stroke, and this is the border around the shape, and you can make it the same color as your button, or you can kind of create a little accent. So first we need to define a width, and we'll make it kind of thin, so 1 dp, and then we'll give it a color of 878787, sort of a lighter gray. Close that out. Okay, so now your shape file is done, so we'll go ahead and save that, and let's go back into our layout here. We'll go to text, and let's copy this button, paste it, another copy, and then we'll just change it up. Okay, so we're going to give it an ID of rounded button, just like that. This part's fine. We'll leave all of that. Margin top, string's fine. Text style bold. That's okay. So now to get the rounded button, all you have to do is type in Android background, and then we will assign it that drawable. So at drawable rounded button. So we'll save that and go to design, and congratulations, you now have a rounded button. You will need to play around with the color of the text to get that to look right, which is easy to do. Just go into here, go into your properties and find the text color and change it. But that is how you create a rounded button in Android Studio. If you liked what you saw here, please subscribe and hit that like button. And if there is another video that you would like me to create a quick tutorial on, leave it in the comments below and we'll get to it. Have a great day.